So this is Kasenyi fish landing site. I'm just here on Sunday, and the day is just like this. I've loved these birds, the way they swim. These are some of the boats. The place is not that active. Those are the trucks that export our fish. That's the boat. Normally on Fridays and other weekly days, there are lots of students around here. Yeah, but since it's a Sunday, then the day is not that active. And what I've just loved, is this. I think these are good to eat than these other local ones. So this is how beautiful Uganda is. That looks like an island. That's where students go for studies, normally geography students. Yeah, that's kinda the place, how it looks like. There's UPDF here, I think for security purposes. That's what I have for you today in Kasenyi here in Entebbe. Those of you who would like to visit the place, you bought from Kampala to Entebbe, Abaita Babili, that's where you branch from. It's only 4K. That's when you bought from the tax pack. Yeah, you may come and visit you and tour your country. Those are the beautiful birds I was telling you. Okay. Yeah, that's it.